In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a guest to a Trello board. If you're collaborating with someone who doesn't need access to your entire workspace, adding them as a guest to a single board is a quick and secure way to work together. A guest can view and contribute to just the board you choose, which helps you keep the rest of your projects private and organized. Start by opening the Trello board where you want this person to collaborate. Make sure you're signed in and that you have permission to invite people to the board. Typically, board admins or members with invite rights can add guests. If you're not sure you have the right access, a quick check with your workspace admin can save time. Look toward the top right corner of the board for the Share or Invite option. It usually appears as a button or icon in the board's header. Give that a click to open the invite panel. If you don't see the option, it could mean your permissions are limited or the board's settings restrict invitations. In that case, confirm your access or ask an admin to send the invite on your behalf. In the invite panel, you'll see a field where you can enter the person's email address. Type the email of the guest you want to add. It's best to use the address they use with Trello or their Atlassian account. But if they don't have one yet, they'll be guided to create it when they receive the invitation. Take a moment to double-check the spelling to ensure you're inviting the right person, especially if your organization has similar email formats. Once the email is entered, Trello handles the invitation process. Your guest will receive a notification, usually by email, and they can join the board from there. When they accept, they'll appear in your board's member list as a guest, with access limited to that specific board. This is helpful for contractors, clients, or teammates who only need visibility into a single project. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Guests can typically view and collaborate based on the board settings, so if you plan to have them edit cards or move items, make sure the board permissions allow it. Also, depending on your plan, adding the same guest to multiple boards may change how billing is handled. So it's worth a quick look at your workspace plan if you're inviting guests broadly. And that's all there is to it. Open your board, use the share option, enter the guest's email, and Trello takes care of the rest. Once they've joined, you can start assigning them cards, tagging them in comments, and moving work forward together.